Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm a partner developer manager at AWS, looking after public sector customers. Today I'm here with Resh from Civo and with Mike from InfoExchange. Thank you for coming. Can I please get you to introduce yourself?
I'm Mike Davis. I'm the Head of Strategic Partnerships and Communications at InfoExchange. InfoExchange is a social enterprise and not-for-profit providing technology solutions that enable social justice and reducing disadvantage in the community.
My name is Resh Pereira. I'm one of the General Managers at Civo Australia. Civo Australia is an AWS advanced consulting partner servicing enterprise in the public sector, and we've been specialising across different pillars including cloud migration, application development, data and DevOps.
How does Civo serve public sector customers?
Civo is a AWS accredited public sector partner, so we've been working deeply with all levels of government from local through to federal. We've also been working deeply with the not-for-profit sector in creating industry-leading and disruptive solutions.
So we chose to work with Civo because of their enormous intelligence around how to transition to cloud effectively. So relying on their diverse knowledge base, we're able to make dramatic improvements to our back end to enable us to better service our not-for-profit clients.
So Mike, what specific challenges were you trying to solve?
InfoExchange has grown considerably in the past 10 years, and our reliance on our physical data centre wasn't enabling us to scale fast enough to meet the needs of our clients. It was becoming too expensive and we didn't have the security or reliability we needed.
So Resh, what solutions were you providing?
For us, it was all about understanding both the technical challenges that InfoExchange were experiencing and the business challenges, and then linking them to the technical solution. We understood from InfoExchange that beyond the data center exit, there was also a need to develop features and functionalities for their solution and their customers more quickly. And really what we were focused on was how do we help them first migrate into the cloud and use that as a platform for future enhancements for the solution.
So what advice do you have for public sector customers wanting to migrate to the cloud?
Well, I'd say migrating to the cloud is a great way to increase security, reliability and responsiveness to customers and clients and enable greater public sector outcomes.
To add on to that, the advice that I have for public sector organisations is to focus on what their understanding is of their end customer or consumer. That's the part where they have deep expertise in. Us as partners have the technical expertise, and we really bring that to link the business problem or the citizen problem with the technical solution. And the part that AWS plays in that is stitching together that ecosystem of customer, partner and vendor. And at the end of the day, AWS makes that possible.